Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. Now, there's a way of doing it, and it's not as intuitive as you would hope, really. For instance, it's not under phone, but if you go to phone, it lists all the phones that are available there. However, if you go to settings, you've got DAB settings, all settings, and audio settings, so there's nothing there either. What you have to do, if I just click off there, what you have to do is click phone, then click settings, and now you've got phone settings and all settings there. So we want phone settings, and it's got settings for all phones, Bluetooth settings, paired devices, and forget all devices. Now I'll show you how. Click on paired device, and you'll see there, that's my phone there. I don't want to forget the device, so the new menu comes up there and you forget the device. Or alternatively, we'll go back to this menu. It's gone to all settings again there, so we'll go off that, go to phone, click on settings, phone settings, Bluetooth settings, forget all devices, forget all devices. That's it, they've all gone.